Because here's the anarchy that's going to happen. This country might burn. And this is what I want to tell you. This country might burn if we don't open our eyes. Because business will be responsible if this country burns. Because business is now forcing an arranged marriage between the DA and the ANC, forgetting that in KZN, the Zulu of KZN and the Indians in KZN voted for MK, the majority of the Zulu people that lives in KZN, the majority. Now they want a 45% majority, 45%, a majority of 45% must be ruled over, excuse me, by the DA, which got 11%, if I'm not mistaken. Now, I'm telling you a deep thing. You don't silence voices or you don't engineer democracy in such a way that such a large majority of people are being excluded. Particularly when those people feel they've been robbed over 50 plus. So my call to President Zuma and them is, please have restraint. My call to business is get the hell out of political negotiations. If you want to be in it, you should have started a party. You should have registered a party and you should have done door to door. You are going to make innocent people to die. And as a leader, I need you guys to understand I have a duty to promote peace and increase the peace at all times. So I'm doing a call here tonight to tell business, get the hell out. It's true what you're saying, Ruben. Rob Hersov and them, they want the ANC, DA-ANC coalition. I told them, they're busy with nonsense. I called him this afternoon. I called Rob. I sat him down. I said, do you see what you guys are asking for? I said, you are wrong. I don't know, did he listen to me? But he said, yeah, I'm seeing now what you are showing me. He then called me tonight. He asked that Rob Rose, another good journalist, very clear person, wanted my number. And I gave him my number. He called me. Rob gave me my number and the Financial Times. I also told him, I said, you see, the problem, business, as a person that's from the business world, my warning to business people is you are playing with fire. You are playing with fire. The people have made the choice. Don't interfere in this arranged marriage that you are trying to force. I don't understand how can the ANC not see this trap. Number one, they're going to form a coalition with the DA. The first person that they will have a vote of no confidence in is Paul Mashatile. Then John Steenhuisen becomes the deputy. And then when John Steenhuisen becomes the deputy, they're going to ask Freedom Front Plus to open the Palapala matter. And when the Palapala matter is open, then Ramaphosa must go. And then John would want to become president. To me, this power must go right back to Bo John Goed. The billionaires in this country is behind this thing. It is dangerous. I'm telling you today, the billionaires are behind this thing. I told Rob today, I said, Rob, you guys are playing with fire. Some of you that say, hey, Rob Fanchu, why will I disagree with him? Why will I tell him? This country is going to burn if leaders don't open their eyes. You know, President Zuma said, please guys, have restraint. So I want to say to South African billionaires straight, I want to tell you, guys, what do you want? You've made so much money. The majority of these people are poor in this country. You want the government of your choice, you will not get the government of your choice. You are not our gods. You are putting this country on the brink of war. Whether you like Zuma or not, he has defeated you and his people love him. Listen, PA can't form a coalition with MK because we differ spectacularly. But don't do what you're doing. Let democracy prevail. Don't come here with your media. I know now I'm going to be enemy number one. And I'm glad after explaining to Rob, he understood. They're going to come for me through the media. It's fine, come for me. But the truth of the matter is, the people are poor of South Africa. Can you guys just stop? How much money more do you want to make out of this country? I'm not scared of you, like these politicians. They can't talk against you because you give them money. How? Have a heart for the people. Have a heart for the people of South Africa. You guys now want to enforce a government of your choice because you want to continue to reap the rewards unfairly of this country. Let me tell you something. Don't underestimate those Zulus in KwaZulu-Natal. They voted for the choice. Let's respect the choice. You say it's only Zulus that vote for Zuma. So if it's only Zulus that vote for Zuma, why did he get votes in Northwest? Why did he get votes in Free State? Why did he get votes in Eastern Cape? Why? You are starting this tribalism nonsense and say PA is a colored party. PA is not a colored party. PA is a colorful party. You know this billionaires must pray and must never get power. I will lock you guys up. I will do with you what Putin did. He locked them up. I will do with you what MBD did. MBS, what is his name? The president of Saudi. He locked up the billionaires. You guys are going too far. You are taking this country to war, and it's time that somebody tells you that's not scared of you. Stop what you guys are doing. You're taking this country to war. I know things that you don't know. I hear things that you don't hear. And if those people rise up, you couldn't even stop the riot. A small riot. Let me tell you something. When you wanted to arrest President Zuma, you had people outside his place with guns saying nobody's going to arrest President Zuma. President Zuma then gave himself over. So I can see what's happening here. You want to bring a white president through the back door. There's nothing wrong having a white president. But the way you guys want to do it. So other parties can't speak up against you. I am coming to you and telling you guys, during apartheid, there was no Afrikaner billionaires. Dollar billionaires. Julle is nou 14. En julle wil nie verstaan nie, you want to control South Africa continuously. Julle vat ons vir niks nie. Julle vat ons vir niks. You take us for nothing in this country. You can make other people dumb. We know things. You know, you look at, you're holding the money like this. You're sitting on cash piles. Why don't you release that cash piles back in the market? So that people can get jobs. Julle moet bid, ek moet nie die land regeer nie. Julle moet bid, ek bang julle nie. Ek paisa julle nie.